Okay, so let's get into this question. So one thing we know is that we can write this out kind of as fractions, and what we're gonna do is, let's say we're gonna say 3 to 3 to 4 is proportional to A to B to C. And note that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. What this means is if you can write this, you can actually write this out as 3 over A is equal to 3 over B is equal to 4 over C. Okay. So I'm going to set this equals, actually, this can also be written as A over 3 plus is equal to B over 3, right? Is equal to C over 4. I'm going to set this equal to K. What we're going to do now is we have that A is equal to 3K, B is equal to 3K, and C is equal to 4K. If you just multiply, like do each one. So if you have like A over 3 equal to K, B over 30 equal to K, C over 4 equal to K. Yeah. Okay, so we have that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug that into the sum. So A plus B plus C is equal to 3K plus 3K plus 4K is equal to 10K, which is equal to 180 degrees. Dividing both sides by 10, we get K is equal to 18 degrees. So now they're asking for the degree of the largest angle of the triangle. And the largest angle will be the one that, C, because, C over 4. So C is equal to 4K. The rest of the other two are 3K. So we're just going to do 4 times 18, which is equal to 72 degrees. So that's our answer. So here we used proportions, and what we did is we just did the corresponding ratios, and we got our information. Okay. So let's read their next question, and then I'll give you some time to work on it, and then, same drill. A number of students from Fibonacci Middle School are taking part in a community service project. The ratio of 8th graders to 6th graders is 5:3, and the ratio of 8th graders to 7th graders is 8:5. What is the smallest number of students that could be participating in the project?